Now we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a block letter effect. We'll start with a black background, but don't worry about the colors, we can change them in the end. Let us use the type tool. Left click on your canvas, I type letter in. It's black for now, so I press Ctrl A and change the color to white. I use a thick font, Arial Heavy is inbuilt, so you should find that as well. And then I size it up to 400. I use the alignment tool, left click on it and I center it. It's relative to image by default, so now it should look like this for you as well. Let me right click on the layer, alpha to selection, and now I grow it a little bit. So select, grow, and 10 pixels is fine for my canvas size. Now I create a new layer, I'll call it outline, but it's important that it's transparent, the name doesn't really matter. I confirm and I put it one level below my letter. So the letter is on top, and then we have the outline. The outline layer is active. Let me pick a color that we can see, maybe red. And now I'll go to edit and fill with foreground color, which is red. Afterwards, select none. So what we've got is the outline below and the letter on top. I'm still on the outline layer, filter, blur, linear motion blur. It only has two values, one is for the angle and one is for the length, and you can see these two plus signs right here. So you can adjust it manually as well if you want to. What I want to have is a diagonal angle, and I want to have it long enough to have these sharp edges. Maybe something like 100 for length. I'll confirm. I'm still on the outline layer. Now I use the bucket fill tool and I simply left click on the blur. And it's going to create this block letter effect. Now I switch to my letter layer and use the move tool and reposition this. Be careful, you want to have it on top of the red, so don't move it too far to the right, for example. But this should be a good position. Now right click on this layer and alpha to selection. I'll make it invisible, switch to the outline layer. For now the letters are selected, so I have to go to select and inverse to select everything else, and then right click on the outline layer, add layer mask and use selection, confirm via add. And now we've got what we need and we can pick the colors. So let me switch to the outline. Make sure that you're not on the layer mask, you want to be on the outline. I'll pick a different color and use the paint bucket tool, left click. Same for the background. Or maybe the contrast isn't that good. So let me switch back to the outline and I'll pick a different color. Maybe something pink. And this is how you can create this block letter effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.